Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. Without any delay, I'm going to show you how to install Python in Windows operating system. First of all, open any browser in your system. I'm going to open Chrome browser. Yeah, and just in the search bar, we just type Python. Okay, and search it. The first link that is appeared here is Python organization. Comes from Python organization. This is the official website. Okay, just open the link and hover your mouse on the download section. Okay, you will see the latest version of the Python. Currently, the latest version of the Python is Python 3.14.6. That is appeared on my screen, right? Just click on the Python 3.14.6. You have to download a file. That is the actual exe file. We are going to open the file and install the Python in Windows operating system. You just double click on the file. Yeah, and it will raise a pop-up. Yeah, this is the pop-up. Now we are going to install the Python in a customized way. Okay, in a proper way, right? Just click on the use admin privileges and just click on add python exe dot to the path. Okay, these two are mandatory to tick. Later on we are going to click on customize installation. Okay, and also you will see what are the features we are going to install. We are going to install documentation, pip, and other things on launcher also we are going to install, right? You don't disturb anything here. Just click the next button to click the install Python 3.14 for all users. Okay, once you check this one, you will see the Python path where the Python is going to install. This is the path the Python is going to install. You later on we just click on the install button. On screen the setup progress is going on. Once the setup progress is completed, the Python is successfully installed on our system. Once the setup process is completed, you will see the setup was successful. Okay, na? Then close. Guys, let's check that Python is successfully installed or not. Really. Okay, for that one, we are going to open terminal. Yeah. After opening the terminal, you just type Python. Okay, you just type Python and hyphen version. Okay, once if you press enter, you will see the Python version. Here I installed 3.14.6, right? The version is displayed on the screen. Yeah, if the Python is not successfully installed, you will not see the version on screen. You will see some prompt like Python is not installed, like that. Python is not found. Like that prompt is displayed on the screen. Okay, in our case the Python is successfully installed. Let's run a Python program with the help of IDLE. Okay, for that one I'm going to open the menu and just type IDLE. You will see the Python's IDLE is displayed here, and just open the IDLE. Yeah, a Python IDLE is open. Now we are going to run the first program, that is hello world, to print hello world. You just type hello world. Yeah, see guys, on screen the hello world is printed. If you want to save the program, you just save the program by using file and save the program wherever you want. On, like, for example, on desktop, if you want to save the program on desktop, you will just give the name as demo or anything and just click the save button. The program is saved on screen. Here you will see the Python file on my desktop. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.